ขอความนอบน้อมจงมีแด่พระผู้มีพระภาคเจ้าขอถวายความเคารพพระเถรานุเถระทุกๆรูปพระธรรมทูตทุกท่านขอเจริญพรญาติโยมที่ตามรายการเสียงธรรมจากวัดพุทธประทีปซานฟรานซิสโกประเทศสหรัฐอเมริกาวันนี้ซึ่งตรงกับวันที่15เดือนเมษายนปีพ.ศ. 2565วันนี้ตรงกับวันศุกร์คุณโยมวันนี้อาตมาภาพต้องขออภัยเสียงอาจจะแปลงๆนิดนึงเนื่องจากไม่สบายมาอยู่ 2-3 วันนี้พอที่จะอาการดีขึ้นเสียงก็อาจจะแปลงไปนิดนึงอาจจะเสียงเป็นกังวานหรือว่าอาจจะแปลงเสียงเป็นกระมังแตกไปแต่ว่ามีความตั้งใจก็เลยคิดว่าวันนี้ต้องออกรายการอีกอย่างหนึ่งก็เป็นวันปีใหม่เป็นวันสงกรานต์ของประเทศไทยของเราด้วยเพื่อทุกคนจะได้คำอวยพรสงกรานต์ปีใหม่กันพร้อมหน้าพร้อมตากันวันนี้ก็มีอัตมาภาพก็อากาศค่อนข้างหนาวโดยเฉพาะเมื่อวานนี้ที่นครสันฟรานซิสโกฝนตกลงมาอย่างแรงมากเลยแล้วก็พัดผ่านมาถึงเมืองซานโมโนด้วยฝนก็เลยตกก็เลยเกิดอาการเขาเรียกขั้นเนื้อขั้นตัวแล้วก็เสียงก็อาจจะแปลงเป็นกระมังแตกไปนิดนึงแต่ก็ใจดีเขาเรียกร่างกายไม่มีปัญหาแต่ว่าใจสำคัญวันนี้ใจสู้หลายคนว่าสู้พระอาจารย์ก็สู้ซึ่งก็สู้จนกว่านาทีสุดท้ายคือเขาบอกว่าเหมือนเดิมเพิ่มเติมคือความห่วงใยเขาว่างั้นนะเหมือนเดิมอันนี้เป็นข้อคติประจำแล้วก็วันนี้ก็รู้สึกว่าขั้นเนื้อขั้นตัวอีกเดี๋ยวจะทานยาหลังจากที่ได้ออกอากาศจบแล้วก็จะเนื่องจากมีญาติโยมคอยกันหลายคนคอยฟังอาการท่านอาจารย์สบายดีหรือยังก็เลยจำเป็นต้องออกมาอากาศเพื่อโชว์เสียงไม่ใช่โชว์เสียงนะคือให้รู้ว่ายังสบายดียังอยู่ดีมีสุขอยู่แต่ว่าเสียงนี่อาจจะแปลงนิดนึงเหมือนเสียงกับกระมังแตกนะโยมนะต้องทนฟังหน่อยก็แล้วกันนะแต่ไม่มีปัญหาเมื่อวานนี้ก็ได้พูดถึงเรื่องหลายอย่างก็มีญาติโยมหลายท่านมีความห่วงใยท่านอาจารย์สบายดีหรือเปล่าหรืออย่างไรบ้างแล้วก็มีเจอเพื่อนเก่าเมื่อ50 ปีที่แล้วเจอกันทางออนไลน์นะคุณโยมโอ้น่าชื่นใจทุกคนต่างดีใจกันหมดเลยเพราะว่าไม่เจอกันมา50 ปีเพิ่งมาเจอกัน40-50 ปีนะคุณโยมเจอกันทางบอกว่าเจอทางออนไลน์ก็สงสัยกันว่าพระหน้าตาอย่างนี้เหมือนกับท่านศิริพรหรือเปล่าหน้าตาเหมือนท่านเหมือนหลวงพี่ศิริพรเลยนะเนี่ยค่อนข้างรู้สึกว่าแต่จะอ้วนท้วนสมบูรณ์กว่าอยู่เมืองไทยนะว่าอย่างนั้นนะตอนเจอตอนนั้นผอมกระลองกองก็เลยปรากฏว่าตอนนี้หน้าตาน่าจะยิ้มเอิบหรืออะไรสักอย่างนึงอันนี้ก็แล้วแต่ Good evening everybody tonight we are bring topic talking about sick of the body not sick of the mind sick of the body not sick of the mind sick mean what does sick mean the meaning of sick that means suffering or sickness or suffering suffering from the Buddha he say he said sick from Buddhism they have two kind we call sick for mental and number 2 sick of physical two things never only two things sick of the mental only and sick of the physical that mean for main body and mental mean mind or citta. The Buddha said two kind of sick of the people have to sick. But today we are sick only for the body, not mind, not sick. The mind is still good. Body sick, only body sick because physical sick or body sick. When the mind, no. The mind is still very good. The mind, even the body sick, if the mind do not sick follow the body, they have to do duty of that. Sick from the mental, so maybe from the old, from the old thing, from the old before, like a mental problem. Like a mental problem for long time, for the maybe from next life, and they come back to this life. Because karma, old karma, they are come to for this life. We call mental problem, and also for this from mental problems is sometimes you was born and get the mental problem from that. Maybe after you was born, still maybe 10 more years and then get the mental problem. That is we call mental problem from sick. We are sick from that, from the mind. And also from the physical, I mean the body. The bodies they can get sick anytime. If you not take care the body, that means can get sick easier. And also the Buddha say the sick with the body, you have to take care. Otherwise, take care. That means the body is because of the body is happy because many of kind of sit in the body. The body in there, even COVID-19 still in everybody have the COVID. If your body is not strong enough, COVID will attack to you, or any kind of disease they coming in the body, make you suffering. Make you suffer and sickness and many things happen in the body, and you have to take care of that. Take care what it mean before have to be preparing before sick. Most of the people do not preparing; they just got sick. But I'm sick, but I'm preparing, but cannot because the weather change. I try to protect myself, but without get sick. But cannot because of the weather. Weather's changing, also change the time. Also the weather's cold and hot, windy, cold, hot, windy, cold. That means the body cannot accept. The body cannot stand because there's too much. Cold whole week. And then, after cold whole week, and then rain come again, 2, 3, 4 days. After rain come again, windy come again. That is my body cannot stand because of that. The weather change a lot. We try to protect myself. Like for example, like for me, simple for me, we try to protect myself. For 2 years, no COVID. Protect very good to protect, to take care, prevent everything. Prevent. COVID cannot attack me because we are protection. But after the COVID almost gone, the wind is come again and rainy come again and hot, and also summer hot season come again, rainy again. Also many kind of the body cannot stand. I got sick. That's for example. That's by nature. Only body sick, but for the mind can no problem for get sick from the mind. The mind still nice and good. The same everybody. Today we are talking about sick of the body, but not for the mind. Your mind is very strong. If your mind very good, strong, no problem for that. The body okay, we can solve. Someone come to the temple. He lost his son, and then he come to the temple. He said, why the Buddha do not keep the body of his son still alive? Why? He told me. Why the Buddha do not keep his life of his son? I don't believe Buddha. He say, I do not believe Buddha because he cannot help me. Buddha cannot help. He cannot help me about his son. He talk. He want to no more respect the Buddha because he's very very sad because of Buddha do not helping them about his son. He died in hospital. After he talk, I asked him, are you done yet about your son yet? About the Buddha? Yes. Okay, I okay now. You can talk. I can talk now. I tell them, the Buddha cannot heal your son because you who can heal your son mean doctor, not the Buddha. The Buddha can be helping with your mind, with the mind only, not for physical or body. Better you bring your son go to hospital, not go to the temple, because for the mind, we can trace your mind good, no problem that. But for the sickness from the body, healthy doctor in hospital can be helping. Treat by medicine. You don't think the Buddha don't help you, because they help you but from the mind. And then he stand, oh, I just know now. Before I think Buddha can be helping his son, his life. No, you are wrong thinking. Because you are wrong. Because the Buddha cannot help. Only doctor can be help your son from treatment for disease. Sorry, I misunderstand like that. He understand. Right now he understand. And okay. And after, right now the Buddha can also mind, and the Buddha can be helping with the mind only. Not for the body. Body can bring to the hospital, and the doctor will be help you. That is we call the problem with the mind we can solve by the Buddha. Maybe can be sitting meditation, can be helping a lot, because sometimes they think too much. Also the Buddha's, also the way of the Buddhist people sick in the Buddhism. They have a 5 kind of sick or disease. The first one we call caused by the methodology. The meaning of that is the meaning of that means by nature, weather, and also from the summers, some hot, from the cold, from the water, water plants, from the fire, everything. That means the sex in the Buddhism from by the case by methodology. And also number 2, and sick in the Buddhism, in the sick or disease in the Buddhism coming from was born, plant, natural, and example diabetes and heart disease maybe come from the family by the family connecting to family, father and mother can be happen with the disease of my heart. Then that we call born from the plant. Plant means connecting together from the family to family. And also number 3, sick in the Buddhism by born of the mental definition, and maybe like a mind problem and think too much. Maybe some people think too much, cannot sleep, and that's from the sick come from that. If you cannot sleep, even 1 day, 2 days, that means you can sick or disease coming in your body because have to sleep even 10 hours, at least 7 hours a day. You have to sleep, and after that no problem for sickness coming. Also number 4 is sickness in the Buddhism was born from the karma definition, because sometimes it's karma action from the last life. The last life coming for this life, because some people do not understand why we are the age very short age, because of the karma action for the last time. If some people are not long life, maybe in the last life you always killing animal, and then for this life you short age. That is but this life you try to do the good way and keep for next life and you come back again. But this life are you very good for do nothing wrong. You by take care, by take care. Do not do the bad thing. Only do good thing for this life, whole life. For the next life you come back again, become angel. Because of that, because of the karma action for this life, come to next life. And also number 5. Number 5 is the people was born from Dhamma. Dhamma means Dhamma means that means are you doing good, and also you think I'm good, I'm doing good, I do not do anything wrong. That is we call Dhamma, born of Dhamma. Maybe you are good, doing for the good thing, good action, good study Dhamma, and also for any type of that. That is you will be good for Dhamma action. For next life, you can be good for. If you come back to human again, that if you come back to human again, that is you can be make you very smart and very nice, very long life and until end of the life. Very long life and beautiful, smart and nice and smart and beautiful thing. That we call the sick in the Buddhism. We have 5 case. Thank you for your understand. Or if you sometimes you sick, that's good. If you get sick, better no sick. If you sick, you get some idea. Before you do not think about your sickness, no sick. But after the good thing for sick, the mean you can relax. You can relax your mind. You can relax your body. The way, good way to have sick or sickness or suffering. You can relax your mind. Because after sick, you cannot do anything. You can relax your mind and you can do meditation, or you can do whatever you can do is relaxing or vacation. Or vacation. Also is number 1. And number 2, you can you can consider the body, because the body do not the body is not for long time, just for temporary only. You just borrow the body from other people, just for a while and not too long. Maybe some people was born 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 50 years, and 80 years, or 90, depend on your karma. Just borrow the bodies and do not take long time if you do not protect it. And also, after you get to know your body, I'm sick, before sick, have to protection or prevent sick. And number 3, you can get to know about the suffering of the body. You can get the suffering, you can get to know the suffering from the body. That good thing for get sick. Otherwise, you do not think about the sick. How can get sick? Or sick that means not sick, that means sick from the body. But you are sick, not the mind. Do not sick like a body sick. Your mind can be stronger. Your mind can be stronger. No suffer, no soft like a body. If you are strong, your body will be strong too. And number 4. Number 4 also you can have if you the way get sick, ask and inspirations to mention of health. That means you will understand more about if you sick, you can think about, you have a wisdom can to think about. You lay down on the bed or relaxing, you can think. You can do more kusala. You can do more merits. That means you can